What should I draw? Oh! Now it needs some color. What color should I choose?
Ooh, pick me!
Ooh, this color looks like the spots.
Cool! I'm teal! Oh no! Oh, the pencil broke!
No, I need a sharpener.
Oh, Lily, I'm right here.
Oh,
Here, let me help you. Don't worry, you'll be fixed in no time.
Oh, thanks! All better!
Yeah.
now I just have the yarn.
All done!
Yay!
Did you guys like the drawing? Would you like to learn how to draw Crafty Kat too? Comment down below in 3, 2, 1. Thank you! This picture's coming along nicely. Oh, I just need a stem and a leaf. I'll use the green for the stem. Start with the straight one. Oh no! I need an eraser.
Lily, I'm right here! Haha, time to clean up.
Lily, don't erase me!
Ooh.
Good job, eraser. It's almost gone. All right, now to draw the actual stem.
Oh, I'm reappearing!
You're so messy, eraser. I don't need you anymore.
Yeah!
It's all finished.
Yay!
I don't want to get my hands dirty today. Oh, perfect. I could draw with my tablet. Why isn't it working?
No connection found.
I'm right here! You gotta connect me!
Let me check the settings.
You should go to pencil settings.
Yeah, over there!
Oh, it's here.
Connection secured.
Oh, it's working!
Oh. Now let me choose a new canvas. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks great. Now I need another shade. Not that color. Not this one either. Oh, this one. All right, that part's done.
Oh, I'm really dizzy!
Now I need some trees and a campfire. This is easier than real painting. Finishing touches. Finished! Oh, I can't decide which one to use.
Use me!
No, use me.
No, use me!
No, I'm better.
I'm better!
Pick me, I'm a classic.
Yeah, well, I'm more advanced!
Oh, I know. I'll draw them both to see which one's better. I'll draw Squid Game. All right, now I need to start on the red.
Ooh. This is a lot of work.
And I'm done.
Oh, that was hard work.
That was pretty good. Now let's try digital.
Device on!
Oh, there's so many options.
Choose any of the tools above.
That one.
Selection confirmed.
Okay. All done.
Illustration complete.
Wow, that was much faster. I think I'm gonna give it to digital.
Oh.
I experience joy.
Let's finish this drawing by painting Spider-Man. Where's my easel?
I'm over here.
Is that my easel back there? There you are.
Oh, you found me.
I need you. Come on, let's go. There we go. Are you broken?
Be careful.
Maybe some tape should fix this. That should be fine.
There you go.
My arm still hurts.
Now I just need red and black paint.
Paint at your service.
Ooh, now it's time to paint. Hey, hold still. This won't do.
I think I got it.
Help me!
I can fix you. Okay, much better. Let me finish this.
Here you go, Lily.
Thank you. And done. Awesome. Do you guys like our videos? What other objects would you like to see next? Comment down below. 3, 2, 1. Thank you! Thanks for all your hard work. Let's draw the Sweedee watermelon. I want to try something different. Oh,
It's me, Glitter. I can help.
oh, okay.
Hey, you're gonna need glue too.
Oh yeah, glue too. Glue and glitter art.
Yeah.
First, I'll trace it with glue. Huh? It's out. I need to refill it.
Here we go.
Now I can finish.
Much better.
And now for the glitter. Stuck.
Oh man.
Now dust off the excess glitter. Done. It's done.
That looks awesome.
Oh, it's so cute. Do you guys like Crafty Hacks art? If so, smash that like button. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. I wonder what's better, a self-portrait or a selfie?
Selfies are the best.
No way. Self-portrait.
Only way to tell. I'll try both. First, let's try my selfie.
Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Oh, perfect. Oh, yeah. Just like that. Perfect.
All right, now let's try the self-portrait. Okay, let's get started.
Hold still. I need to focus. And done.
Ooh. All right, let's compare.
Ta-da!
Check it out.
Which one do you think Lily would pick?
Could you guys guess my choice? Hit the subscribe button. Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Do you guys like Crafty? Could you guys guess my choice? Can you guys guess my choice? Could you guys guess my choice? Hit the subscribe. Thanks for all your hard work.
Device on.
Oh, it works.
Connection secure.
Ooh.